is crucial to organize your bathroom storage wisely. Below, Casa Custom will explore some ways to help you effectively organize your bathroom storage to make it more neat and functional. The first step is to clean and organize. Before start to reorganize bathroom storage, should clean the bathroom first. Throw out expired toiletries, broken appliances and items that are no longer needed. Keep only the items that you really need and use. This will free up space and allow us to better organize storage. Next, need to assess the storage needs of the bathroom. Depending on the size of the bathroom and the needs of the family members, determine the type and amount of items need to store. This will be better planned storage solutions. Then consider the use of appropriate storage tools. In the bathroom, can use a variety of storage appliances to organize items. Choose right storage tools for bathroom space and needs, and make sure they can be easily placed and accessed. It is also important to assign a fixed storage location for each item. Keeping toiletries such as shampoo, conditioner and face wash together, and cosmetics and skincare products together will make it easier to find what we need and avoid confusion, wasted time. Finally, organizing, cleaning bathroom storage area regularly is key to staying organized and sanitary. Check in at least once a month to clean and reposition. This will not only keep the bathroom tidy, but also ensure the items are always easily accessible. Follow us and get more details.